In the vast darkness of space, where no end can be seen, systems are born that shape existence. At the heart of this system, the Sun ignites a massive sphere of burning plasma, the source of energy and life. Its immense gravity is the invisible force that keeps everything in place, preventing chaos from taking over. Around it, 8 planets orbit, each with its own story, its own environment, and its own unique world. Closest is Mercury, a harsh, rocky world, covered in craters and exposed directly to the sun's heat. A planet divided between a burning daytime inferno and a freezing, lifeless night. Then comes Venus, similar to Earth in size, yet hiding a true hell beneath its thick atmosphere. Toxic clouds and crushing heat, making its surface one of the most extreme environments in the solar system. Earth, however, is the exception, the planet that embraced life. With a delicate balance of air, water, and land, a complete system where life could evolve and thrive. Farther out lies Mars, the red planet, a cold and silent world. Yet its ancient surface reveals signs that water and perhaps life once existed. Between Mars and Jupiter, remnants of formation drift in the chaotic asteroid belt. Then we reach Jupiter, the largest giant, the undisputed king of planets. Its enormous gravity, so powerful it could contain all the other planets combined. Across its surface rages a colossal storm, the Great Red Spot, active for centuries. Beyond it stands Saturn, breathtaking in beauty, surrounded by its iconic rings. Rings stretching across space, made of ice and rock, reflecting sunlight in a stunning display. Then Uranus, a planet unlike the others, rotating on its side, creating extreme seasons and an unusual distribution of light across its surface. At the far edge stands Neptune, a deep blue world dominated by violent storms and the fastest winds. Beyond it extends the Kuiper Belt, a cold region filled with icy bodies and dwarf planets. But all of this began 4.6 billion years ago from a cloud of gas and dust collapsing under gravity. Within the Milky Way galaxy, a home filled with billions of stars and planetary systems. And in the end, we realize that our solar system, despite its greatness, is only a tiny point in an infinite universe.